Looking for the ultimate drones to take your aerial adventures to new heights? You've landed in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2025, featuring cutting-edge technology, unbeatable performance, and the latest innovations. From beginner-friendly options to pro-level drones, we've got something for everyone. Ready to see which ones made the list? Stick around, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and the best deals. Number 5. DJI Neo, a significant advancement in the world of aerial photography and videography, showcasing DJI's commitment to innovation and quality. This cutting-edge drone is designed for both amateur enthusiasts and professional creators, delivering stunning visuals with unparalleled ease of use. Equipped with an advanced camera system, the DJI Neo captures breathtaking 4K video and high-resolution stills, ensuring that every detail is recorded with clarity and precision. Its enhanced stabilization technology allows for smooth footage even in windy conditions, making it ideal for capturing dynamic action shots or serene landscapes. One of the standout features of the DJI Neo is its intelligent flight modes. These pre-programmed settings enable users to execute complex shots with just a tap, such as tracking moving subjects, creating cinematic reveals, or executing precise aerial maneuvers. This not only simplifies the filming process, but also elevates the creative possibilities for content creators. Battery life is another area where the DJI Neo excels, offering extended flight times that let users make the most of their aerial adventures. The drone's quick charging capabilities mean that downtime is minimized, allowing for more time in the air, capturing stunning visuals. In terms of design, the DJI Neo boasts a sleek and compact form factor, making it portable and easy to transport. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls ensure that even those new to flying drones can quickly get the hang of it and start capturing incredible footage. Number 4. Holy Stone has carved out a notable reputation in the world of consumer drones, offering a diverse range of models that cater to both beginners and seasoned pilots alike. Founded with the mission to make drone technology accessible and enjoyable for everyone, Holy Stone focuses on delivering user-friendly features without compromising on quality or performance. One of the standout aspects of Holy Stone drones is their emphasis on stability and ease of control, which is particularly beneficial for novice users. Many of their models come equipped with advanced stabilization technologies, such as GPS positioning and altitude hold, allowing users to capture stunning aerial footage without the steep learning curve typically associated with flying drones. In addition to user-friendly controls, Holy Stone drones often boast impressive camera capabilities, including HD and 4K video recording options, high-resolution still photography, and real-time FPV, first-person view, transmission. This makes them an excellent choice for those looking to explore aerial photography or simply capture breathtaking landscapes from a unique perspective. Battery life is another strong suit for Holy Stone, with many models featuring extended flight times that allow users to enjoy their flying experience without constant interruptions for recharging. Furthermore, the drones are often designed with durability in mind, making them resilient to minor crashes and outdoor elements, which is essential for any flying enthusiast. Holy Stone also places a strong emphasis on customer support, providing resources and assistance for users to ensure they have a positive experience with their products. Number 3. XPR Limitless. 5. A cutting-edge device designed to push the boundaries of performance and versatility. With its sleek and modern design, this model is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also built to withstand the rigors of daily use, making it ideal for both casual users and professionals alike. Equipped with advanced technology, the XPR Limitless 5 boasts a powerful processor that ensures lightning-fast performance, allowing users to multitask seamlessly between applications without any lag. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on demanding tasks, this device has the capability to handle it all with ease. One of the standout features of the XPR Limitless 5 is its impressive display. The high-resolution screen delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, enhancing the overall user experience, whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or editing photos. Additionally, the device supports a range of connectivity options, ensuring that you stay connected wherever you go. Battery life is another area where the XPR Limitless 5 excels. With optimized power management, users can enjoy extended usage without the constant need to recharge. This makes it perfect for those who are always on the move, providing the freedom to use the device throughout the day without interruption. Furthermore, the XPR Limitless 5 incorporates innovative features such as enhanced camera capabilities, ensuring that users can capture stunning images and videos in various conditions. From low-light environments to action-packed moments, the camera system delivers professional-grade results. Number 2. DJI Flip is an innovative addition to DJI's extensive lineup of aerial and handheld imaging devices, designed to enhance the way users capture and share their experiences. This compact and versatile gadget allows for effortless flipping between different shooting modes, making it easier than ever to transition from capturing stunning landscapes to engaging selfies with just a flick of the wrist. Equipped with advanced stabilization technology, the DJI Flip ensures that your footage remains smooth and steady, even in dynamic shooting environments. This is particularly beneficial for vloggers and content creators who demand high-quality video without the need for external gimbals or stabilizers. The device's intuitive controls and user-friendly interface make it accessible for both beginners and seasoned filmmakers alike. Additionally, the DJI Flip supports a variety of smart features, such as automatic tracking and gesture control, further simplifying the shooting process. With its powerful battery life, users can enjoy extended shooting sessions without worrying about running out of power at critical moments. The design of the DJI Flip also speaks to its portability. Lightweight and sleek, it can be easily carried in a pocket or bag, making it an ideal companion for travel and outdoor adventures. Whether you're hiking through picturesque trails or capturing the excitement of a cityscape, the DJI Flip is built to adapt to your lifestyle. Ultimately, the DJI Flip represents a significant leap forward in the world of compact cameras, combining functionality, ease of use, and exceptional performance. Number 1. DJI Air 3S represents a significant leap forward in the world of consumer drones, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features that cater to both beginners and seasoned pilots alike. This drone boasts an impressive camera system capable of capturing stunning 20mm still images and recording 5.4K video at 30 frames per second, ensuring that every aerial shot is vibrant and detailed. One of the standout features of the Air 3S is its advanced obstacle sensing system, which utilizes multiple sensors to detect and avoid obstacles in real time. This ensures a safer flying experience, allowing users to focus on capturing breathtaking footage without constantly worrying about potential collisions. Moreover, the Air 3S is equipped with enhanced flight capabilities, offering an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes on a single charge. This means more time in the air to explore and document your surroundings. Additionally, its lightweight design and compact foldability make it incredibly portable, perfect for adventurers and travelers looking to take their photography to new heights. With intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Waypoints, the DJI Air 3S enables users to easily create dynamic shots and cinematic sequences with minimal effort. Its intuitive app interface also allows for seamless editing and sharing of footage, making it easier than ever to showcase your creativity.